correct. I went to Havasu, and that's when Kawasaki's facility was in Lake Havasu. And then they moved to Azusa, California, I think about 3 to 4 months after that.
Okay.
After the World Finals. And that was another crazy thing. I was sat, like, I never forget this too. I was sat at the Monday after the World Finals, I was at the Kawasaki shop in Lake Havasu. And I'm sat there, and I was BSing with maybe Kanamori or someone, and Victor Sheldon shows up. Guy, I don't think he's ever forgiven me from that day of not telling him that I signed a contract with Kawasaki.
Oh, funny.
He's, we were good friends. And I'm like, Victor, what am I supposed to do, bro? Like, like from that day, we you know what? I got to, take my hat off to that guy. Some of my first trips to California, he took really good care of me out there. And I remember sleeping on his window bed he lived in down south in Escondido area. And he took me to a couple races, and he was really good. And Scott, Victor, Larry were probably the three main guys growing up that really influenced me.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, Larry's gone on to have an amazing career, and it was kind of cool. It was cool to see you in hot water. That was fun. And, knowing you were the stunt man for most of that.
What was cool? His David Koresh story. Did you read that the other day?
No.
He met him a long time ago.
David Koresh?
Yeah,
the Waco, yeah.
Yeah. He met him. He still go back and look at some of his posts last week.
Okay.
He met him somewhere, and because he managed music, and he was in the band or something like that. And he was a manager, and he wanted to manage Larry's career. And something in Larry, I think if I remember correctly, it was something in Larry's head that said, "Stay the hell away from this guy."
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that's wild.
And then then that thing in Waco happened years later, and he's never lost that business card. He has a picture of it on his Facebook.
He's got it. Oh, that's nuts.
So check that out.
Yeah, I'll check that out. That is crazy. Okay. All right. So Victor, Victor's
doing very well for himself now. It seems like I'm really happy for him.
Now he's moved on. Last I knew he was with Thor and Slippery Thor, Parts Unlimited. He's moved on from there, right?
Yeah, he's, from what I see, and since I've talked to him, I think the last time I saw him was when we did that hot water thing in Havasu. He's putting on mountain bike races, they're called Quick and Dirty.
Okay.
And I think there's hundreds of people that show up on a weekly. He has weekly events, and then monthly. I think once or twice a month, he does some really nice races in Southern California. And he also races mountain bikes professionally.
Oh,
he's won a lot of championships.
Yeah, he's a tremendous athlete.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, tremendous athlete. Yeah. Oh man, and
amazing what power come out of those legs.
The itty skinny bitty chicken legs. Yeah. He said it himself. He said chicken legs himself. So I'm not critiquing him at all. He's
he's a good athlete for sure.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.